Didn't Jesus really make it super clear? I am God, or I am the Son of God. It should be repeated. Why throughout the text he says, Son of Man, Son of Man, Son of Man, Son of Man?
Could I answer that?
Yeah.
We're getting a little far afield, but I really want to answer this because I've addressed it many times. Interestingly enough, Jesus did say, I am, a number of times in a very significant way. He used the term I am in the way that it's used in the Old Testament of Yahweh. In John 8:58, he said, "Prin Abraham genestai ego I me." Before Abraham was, I am. The Jews picked up stones to stone him. Why were they stoning him? For claiming to be a prophet? No, for claiming a divine name. He used that very same phrase when the soldiers came to arrest him in John chapter 18. And when he said, I am, let me just answer this. When he said, I am, the Jews fell back upon the ground when he uttered those words. And in John 13:19, he quoted directly from Isaiah 43:10, where God identifies himself as the I am of himself. He did, in fact, accept worship. And while the Bible does say Jesus was a prophet, that's not all it says Jesus was. He is prophet, he's priest, he's king, he's Son of God, and Son of Man is a divine title. Remember in Mark chapter 14, during the trial of Jesus, what happens when Jesus quotes from Psalm 110 and Daniel chapter 7 and says, you'll see the Son of Man? What does the high priest do? He tears his robes and says, you've heard the blasphemy. What further need do we have of witnesses? Why? Because when you go to Daniel chapter 7, the Son of Man is worshipped in the highest form of worship